Hey, I want to show you something that's very simple, but a lot of people find hard to do. This is a quick video. It's about changing windshield wiper blades, but not the front, it's the rear. And over here on the Jeep JKUs and the JKs, the rear blade is very easy to change, but it's a little different than the front. Just going to show you a quick video. Hopefully you learned something. Thank you. I got the Trico exact fit blade. Basically, you're just replacing this piece. So if you look, there's a little connecting bar right there, and your job is just to remove this piece from the Jeep. Basically, you have your wiper arm and the blade together. I pull it out like this, bend it this way, and pull. And there I have the blade. Very simple. So this is actually just going to slide in here and lock into this groove. See that groove in there? It's just going to slide and lock into that groove. Okay? So I take the new one, I open it up, I slide it till it hits the groove, and then I snap it in. And then I place it back like this, and we're done. And that is as simple a task as it is.